channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. My name's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, multicultural, all-inclusive. So if you have subscribed, please do so. Okay? If you have and you're one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby! You're looking fabulous today. So let's get started on this wig review. I'm very excited for a lot of reasons, and I'm going to tell you what those reasons are, hence why you are here. After this segment, you'll see what I did to get this chick together, but today we are talking about Mayde Beauty, who after this wig, I'm convinced is some type of sister company to my favorite wig company, FFHOTCHOCO. But we have one of their 5-inch invisible lace parts. This is lace parting. It is not lace front. And this is KALISSA. KALISSA? Yeah, KALISSA. And I have her in the color FFHOTCHOCO or Hot Cocoa. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I got it from Wig Types. And I'll put all of the deets in terms of the pricing and everything down below. So, I love this wig for a lot of reasons. One, I have 2 wigs, one from Mayde Beauty, one from FFHOTCHOCO and one from Model. One was Electra and the other one was Electra and another one, which was basically this exact same wig, but it was very, very long. And I loved those wigs. It's not really a yucky texture. This is a silkier texture. I did go ahead and put some cream in it just to keep the flyaways away. Yeah, this is a multicultural option, but it is not a yucky texture. It's not textured. Okay, I have Electra in Hot Choco, and it's the same one, very, very long. If I think about it, I will go ahead and put a photograph up, and I love that wig. I actually still have that wig. It's very inexpensive. You know, it's a beautiful coloring. Look at that coloring. It's such a beautiful coloring, and I also feel like for the price, everything, it's great. I like this one because the only con I had at that one was that it was so long. I feel like it was like it was maybe like 28 inches or something. So this one is definitely a more doable length. This is going to be, I'm going to put this in a 22 inch, but this is all the hair to the front. So it's not a lot of, you know, it's not a ton of hair. It's more of a realistic density in my opinion. Let's look at her from the back. I redid some of this back here. You may notice and you may not, but I redid my lighting and all of this. So it's like just getting used to where everything is. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, that's definitely like more doable. Movement is good. More of a daily wig situation. So yeah, I am really happy with this wig. This is definitely the shorter version of Electra, and the other one, why can't I remember? Valencia from FFHOTCHOCO. So this is the shorter version of those 2 wigs. So if you like those 2, either, both, whatever, then you will love this wig. So that is what I have for you for Miss KALISSA. If there is another Mayde Beauty wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I will link the Mayde Beauty playlist down below as well. If you like Mayde Beauty, go ahead and check out the FFHOTCHOCO and Model playlist. I will try to remember to link those down below. And all the wig deets will be down there. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.